Let's see how to monitor the performance of your wallet. Mizar has developed one of the most precise and accurate wallet trackers, checking transactions directly on-chain and real-time to calculate your performance. To see it, just click on Portfolio, and here you can visualize your wallet. Here you can see different things. The first section is a general overview of your performance. You can visualize the total P&L over the last 30 days, the realized P&L, meaning the secured profit from closed trades, and the relative percentage, which is the profitability of your wallet. This profitability is calculated as realized P&L divided by your total buy volume. In practice, if every time I buy $1, I get 0.38% net profit on top of it. Profits shown are net, meaning after removing gas fees and Mizar fees, from 0.5% to 1% depending on your star level. The unrealized P&L comes from all trades that are still open, tokens currently held. This does not depend on time. It simply reflects the present P&L value of open positions. Below, you can see the available balance. Everything is in real time. Available balance is the amount of Solana or dollars ready to be traded. Total balance includes your token holdings and their live value. In the center chart, you can see your realized performance, meaning how much secured profit you have accumulated over time. If you click here, you can view a detailed daily calendar showing your profit or loss for each day. You can review overall monthly performance and see how many positive days you had. You can change the calendar month here, and clicking again brings you back to the current month. You can take a screenshot to share your results, or switch from USD to Solana view if you want to see P&L in SOL. Results may differ. For example, I have 6 positive days in SOL and 7 in USD due to price variation of Solana. We recommend to start a fresh new wallet every 30 days so that it's easy to track your performance accurately. Clicking here, you can share your performance. Mizar offers advanced sharing tools. You can switch currency, change the image, download it as video or picture, or adjust various visuals to make it cleaner or more fun by clicking here. Sharing is always encouraged inside the community. Also on the right, you have more detailed statistics. How many swaps were executed? Total gas fees paid. Always review gas fees and ensure they are not too high compared to your total profit. If gas fees look excessive, you may need to adjust your bot settings. Below, you see buys versus sells, showing all transaction counts, then your total traded volume. You also get wins versus losses, your last swap, and some indicators about the types of tokens you traded. For example, I traded almost 350 different tokens. Most were between 1 hour and 1 week old. These are early apes. The rest are more established tokens. Below that, you can see counts of scams or rug pulls. Keep this ratio as low as possible. It's where users often lose the most money. In my case, 1%, 5 tokens out of 241, is okay, but it could be better. The ideal number is 0. You can reduce this by using better filters when trading or do more due diligence. Here you can see the distribution of your realized P&L. In my case, I made most of my profit on small tokens, 1 million to 10 million market cap, and medium tokens, 10 million to 100 million. I had losses on large caps and small profits on micro caps. Interestingly, although I trade many micro tokens, most of my actual profit came from slightly larger ones, so I might pivot my bots to trade more of those. Always remember, past performance doesn't predict future performance, but it's useful for analysis and for improving your bots. Here, you can change the time frame to check how today is performing, for example. And here at the top, you can switch between USD and Solana view. Down below, you can see 3 tabs. Portfolio, what is currently in your wallet. A detailed list of all the tokens you're holding. Trades, a detailed view of all open and closed trades. We will cover this into another video. Swaps, every buy and sell executed with a full scrollable list. This gives you a complete and precise insight into your wallet activity.